their first 3 games. But with this unit that they have right now, Enzo Serrano feeling it, doing the too small gesture after that made basket.
Wow.
Si Jake Figueroa saka si Dave Ildefonso hindi pa yan nagsasama.
Hindi
sa
pa.
loob.
Oo.
Argente will lay it in. 52 points combined in the second and third periods.
Quarter, yes. And look at the discrepancy in the scoring department. Laki ng linamang talaga ng Abra.
Can't finish. That's been the story also for Meycauayan. As Elorde will put that one in off the glass. Gonzalez. Ildefonso with a massive offensive rebound, puts it back in. Aiming for their 8th straight victory. Argente catches, fires, and drills the free. Third triple for Sean Argente. New York Knicks, 29
diba?
points down, 20 points behind in the fourth, but Abra back to a 30-point lead. Apolonio rejected. Sticks with it and puts it back in. 13 points for Jason Apolonio.
There's always a possibility of winning the ball game even gaano kalaki lamang ng kalaban.
Stream, magsudok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. They've had since that loss to San Juan. Kasi doon siya na-injure. From that point on, Manny Bay is the digital wallet built for the community. Ahead by 31. Miranda turns around, blocked by Gonzalez. Raven Gonzalez with his third rejection. And now he will lay it in.
And look at the rebound there by Sean Ildefonso.
Sean Ildefonso with his 5th board. Alley-oop. And Abra pretty much. Coach Warren, Kapitan, is also watching. 3-point shot by Jimboy Pastoral goes down. 5 sunod-sunod na panalo, but this one seems like it won't go in their favor going up against another powerhouse team. We talked about how they were able to beat teams like Negros, Rizal, Bataan, Marikina, and Sargani. Going up against a team like Abra, you cannot check all the boxes in terms of you executing that game plan and sitting on that 2-3 zone for the most part. But then yun nga, no? Yung that kind of defense being susceptible to offensive rebound.
Medyo they started really very well pero naubos din sila eh. Parang in the second quarter, dahan-dahan ang bumaba yung intensity ng game nila. You have to start making those shots. Kailangan itaas mo yung average mo. You cannot play your usual game.
Wilkin Lee, Jay Utok, Josh Asuncion, and Joel Gonzalez together with Sean Ildefonso. The official sportsbook of the MPBL.
And if you could see in this 5, Sean Ildefonso is playing one of the bigs.
Utok off the glass and in. Lot of inside points for the Weavers. Jay Utok, mintis yung kanyang tres. But the putback is in from Joel Gonzalez who had 23 points. Pinukpok talaga sila dun eh. Pasturan with a floater.
Those shots.
Asuncion malakas, putback. Wala kay Sean. Sari-saring offensive rebound na naman yon. And Sean Ildefonso putting the cherry on top. Abra winning convincingly against one of the rising teams in the North Division.